Is this the industrial automation component that will revolutionize your factory floor? We're diving into the 6AV2124-0QC02-0AX1, a factory-packed, brand-new unit promising peak performance. Sourced directly from JYPLC, this component arrives in a sealed box, guaranteeing its pristine condition. JYPLC, established in 2015, aims to deliver top-notch industrial automation solutions. They emphasize high efficiency and standardized service, which is reassuring when dealing with critical components like this. The promise of 24/7 online customer service is a definite plus, offering support whenever technical issues arise. While we can't physically showcase the unit in action without a full industrial setup, the new and original condition is paramount. This ensures compatibility and reliability within existing systems. The part number 6AV2124-0QC02-0AX1 is crucial for ensuring you're getting the exact component needed for your specific application. The sealed packaging is a great sign, indicating proper storage and handling before it reaches the end user. Knowing it's untouched gives a sense of confidence. Ultimately, the value of this component hinges on its performance within a larger industrial system. However, the assurance of a new, original unit from a company emphasizing customer support and efficiency provides a solid foundation. If you need this specific part, the 6AV2124-0QC02-0AX1 from JYPLC seems like a reliable choice. It inspires confidence.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.